What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I've got something interesting to share with you. This is the SKG eye massager. I was contacted by a friend who looks after this brand. I've been flying a lot recently, if you guys have been paying attention to my Instagram at all. And he thought this might be something interesting that I might want to try out. So I'm going for the Zen vibes, trying to relax myself. I'm just going to give it a go and see what it feels like. This is weird. Glasses off. And yeah, I need a haircut, forgive me. I really wasn't sure what to expect. It's basically a futuristic eye mask. That's how it looks, at least. It's just got the company's logo there, SKG. And it has a power button on here as well. And when you press that, it starts vibrating. I know that because I pressed it earlier. I was curious, but I don't know what it feels like. So you'll have my genuine first reaction to having this on my face. Wish me luck. Oh, cool, I can see through it. Well, that's an interesting first revelation. I can see through it, so that's cool. I know what's going on around me. I can still see you guys, which is fantastic. Very handy if I was using this in public. That gives me some confidence. So let's get it on. Oh wow. So when I've turned it on, it said high soothing mode. And it's playing some tranquil music. And there's like the sound of flowing water being played. Can't tell where the speakers are. Somewhere around here, maybe. It's quite quiet because I couldn't hear it without putting my ear to it earlier. Yeah, it's just vibrating around my eyes, kind of relieving pressure around the eyebrow area, around my temples, and just under my eyes here. I can feel it. It is quite nice. I reckon this would put me to sleep if I sat here for more than half an hour. Oh, that does feel good. Now I just want one for my neck. It's almost like it's got little small kind of fingers or maybe metal ball bearings kind of just rotating around my eye and eyebrow area. It's a nice level of pressure, it's not too hard. Very light vibration. And obviously you can tighten and loosen the headband to your preferences. If this was a bit too tight, maybe if the pressure was too much, sorry. How do they look? Do I look like a weirdo? Like if you saw me in an airport lounge or something, or on the tube, or on a bus wearing this, what would you be thinking? The main thing I love about them actually is that I can see through it. Because I was worried putting something like this on, you'd be really disconnected. And it's not like clear see-through, it's almost like a fogged glass look. So I don't think you guys can see my eyes, but I can see out. When it builds up tension around the muscles, every now and then it just completely lets go, and that letting go is a really nice relaxing feeling. I definitely intend to spend a bit more time taking time to just relax, and I think products like this that allow you to zone out, chill out, are definitely something I want to see a bit more of this year and going forward. So shout out to my mate for sending this in. This is, even just to try it, it's nice to be able to try something a bit different for a change. But do you know what? It's actually, I don't think it's me. I think it's actually heating up as well. Like it's starting to feel a little bit warm. A pleasant warm feeling around my eyes. Almost like when you wear those hot towels. When you put those hot towels across your face. That's the kind of sensation I'm getting around my eyes. And I don't think it's just because I'm hot and I'm wearing them. Yeah, the warmth that's coming through on the eye cups are really nice. I'm enjoying that sensation. I do wonder if you can change the music. So I think the sound of flowing water is great, but for some people that might just make them want to pee the whole time. I'm going to press the button and see what else happens, because I literally don't know how long this program lasts. I haven't read the instructions, which I probably should have. Okay, so I tapped it once, it said sleep mode. So you can sleep with these on if you're able to handle having something over your eyes while you sleep. I know a lot of people use eye masks, so maybe that would be normal. So in sleep mode, there's no audio being played right now, at least not that I can hear. If it is, it's super faint. Okay, I can just about hear some audio, but it's maybe like whistling wind in the distance. It's really, really quiet. I mean, I've got the AC on in here and I can barely hear anything coming through. Ah, that light's gone off. I reckon I could still work with these on, to be fair. I just felt like it. See, in sleep mode, the audio is slightly different. There's almost sounds like rain, like really, really faint rain somewhere in the distance. It is quite relaxing, to be fair. I reckon just like 5 or 10 minutes of quiet time, even in the office, a day with this would be really lovely. I'm going to press the button again, see what happens. Okay, this is eye exercise mode, so exercise for my eyes. Now there's some kind of droplet music going on. In this eye exercise mode, the vibration is a little bit more consistent and a little bit more vigorous. Still feels very nice though. Very pleasant sensation. This might be my favorite one yet. Okay, I'm going to press the button again, see what happens. So this is vitality mode. You've got kind of jungle sounds being played now. Okay, shutting down. May you have a relaxed mood every day. Yes. Okay, just cycling through the soothing mode, sleep, eye exercise, and vitality. One tap cycles through the different modes. Double tap turns off music and turns on music. I like the fact that you can actually turn off the music because I might not always want to have audio playing while I'm trying to relax. Because my ears are still free, I might have my own audio that I can put in my in-ears, which is great. I think enough of my head is up that I could actually wear a hat, which is brilliant. Most of these eye things that I get sent or I want to look at or test, I don't love them because I can't wear a hat at the same time. So this is great. I can actually, let me get my hat. I can actually wear a hat at the same time. This is brilliant. This might be the reason why I love it most. I can wear a hat while relaxing. Brilliant. So yeah, let me just turn it off. Shutting down now. Oh. Okay, let me get the light back on. I would have fallen asleep if I was in there and being too comfortable for too long. Well, that was fun. It really isn't that often that I take time like that to sit down and relax, so that's brilliant. So what we have here is the E3 Pro, the SKG eye massager. The battery capacity is 1500 milliamp hours. I'm not sure what that's going to translate into time. I've only just tried them. But yeah, I just wanted to give them a go on camera so you guys can maybe check them out yourselves. Like I said, they were sent to me by a friend. He actually didn't even ask me to review them. He said, you've been traveling a lot, maybe there's something you want to check out for relaxing. So shout out to him for sending that in. I wouldn't consider this a review of any kind. I was just sharing my thoughts on it because it seemed like a really nice product to try out and I have enjoyed my time. So if that is what you wanted to know about the SKG E3 Pro eye massager, that is it. If you have any comments or questions, please put them in the section below. Otherwise, I will see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching.